In this section, we are going to do something that's required on your e-commerce store if you sell physical product that need to be delivered, which is setting up your shipping options. So I will show you how that works and how to set up the shipping options that you want on your store. So let's go. So I am on my store, and first of all, go to the dashboard. Then you go to settings and then shipping. Here you have three little tabs here into shipping. The first one, shipping zones, is where you are going to configure the different shipping options for different shipping zones. And the shipping zone is a geographic region where a certain set of shipping methods and rates apply. So for example, if you want to have a price to ship in the US, a different price to ship in the UK, and another price to ship in Singapore, for example, then this is going to be three different regions. You can also define regions by continents, like have one fixed fee for Europe or for Africa. It's really up to you. I will show you just after how to create these shipping zones, and you can add as many zones as you need, and your customers will only see the methods available for their address, for their zone. Okay, so this is cool because even if you have plenty of shipping options, they are not going to see them all, so it's not gonna seem complicated on the checkout. And then outside of our shipping zones, we can optionally configure some shipping options if we want to. But if you leave nothing here, it means that the customer that enter an address that is not within your zone won't be able to buy because there is no shipping options available to them. So this is a great way to restrict where you want to sell. If you can't deliver everywhere in the world, then this is perfect. Just add the different zones where you can deliver your product into the shipping zones, and outside of that, no one will be able to buy. So this is great. And if you can deliver your product everywhere else in the world, but it's more expensive, then you can create shipping methods here in the location that are not covered by your zone, and then all the location outside of your zone will have these shipping methods available to them. So that's it for the shipping zones. Then we have the shipping options. Here you can enable a few options if you want. So for example, you can show the shipping fee calculator directly on the cart page if you want, or you can hide all the shipping costs until an address is entered, which means on the checkout page. Then you can choose which address to use by default. Do we use the shipping address? Do we use the billing address? Or do we only ask for the billing address to our customer? So this is useful only if you really need two types of addresses. But if you don't, then just keep it like this, just to make things less confusing for your customers. And the last option, you can just leave it like this. This is something more for the customer support to help you in case there is a problem somewhere. So you can forget about this one. And then the last tab, shipping classes. This tab will allow you to add shipping class that we can apply after that to our product. And then for our shipping options, we can create different pricing for each class. So this is useful if you have some small product and some big product. For example, you sell t-shirts and bed. So obviously the cost of shipping the t-shirt is not gonna be the same as the cost of shipping a bed, even if they are shipped into the same country. If you ship to the US, then you have one shipping zone, USA, but you have two types of products. Let's say the small product, the t-shirt, and the big product, the beds. So this way you create two shipping classes, small product and big product, and then into our shipping zone, the USA, we will be able to set up different prices for each of our shipping class. So we will set up a price for the small product and a different price for the big product, and then we can add this shipping class to our product. So then when people buy them, they get the correct shipping rates. So this is pretty cool. So this is how we use shipping classes. Maybe you don't need that for your store, but if you do, then it's here, and I will show you just after how to create them. First of all, let's create a shipping zone. So let's click on add shipping zone, and then let's say we create a zone for the USA. Okay, this is the zone name, and then we select the region included into this zone. So for example, for us it will be United States. You can also define only some states if you want, but for us, let's tell the whole country. And once you have your zone, then you can add your shipping methods here, which means for your customer who are into the United States, they will have these shipping methods available to them. So let's add shipping method. Here we have a few options. Flat rate means there will be a fixed fee for shipping, then free shipping. And then we can also set up local pickup if you have a store and people can come pick up their product to their store. So then you can add the shipping methods that you want to offer on your store. What most of the big e-commerce stores do And what you may want to do as well, if you can, of course, is to create 2 flat rates shipping methods. One for normal delivery, let's say 3-5 days, something like that, depends on the company you will use for shipping your product, and the Express shipping method in 1 or 2 days, which is going to be more expensive, of course, but some of your customers really badly want your product and they want it fast, so it's good to have an Express shipping method on your store. And then the third one that you might want to do, of course, once again, if you can, is to add the free shipping method if the cart or if the order of the person is above a certain level. So for example, you can say, if you purchase for more than $50 or $100 on my store, then you have free shipping. This is the 3 most common shipping methods that we see. So let me show you how to do that. So let's start first with the normal 3 to 5 day shipping method. So I select flat rates and then add shipping method. You can enable or disable each shipping methods really quickly here, so that's pretty cool. And then click on edit, enter the name of the shipping method. So for us, it will be standard delivery, 3-5 days. You can choose if it's taxable or none, if you have set up tax on your store, which we covered earlier into this course, and then the price of this shipping method. So let's say, for example, $5. Made a little mistake here. Then you save the changes. And here we go. So let's see on our store how it looks right now. So I will go to my store. Okay. To go to the checkout, I need to add a product to my cart before. So I will go to one of my products and add to cart. And then let's go to the checkout. So view cart. And first of all, you see here, we have the calculator for shipping fee. So this is because into the shipping options, this is enabled. So personally, I'm not a big fan of that. I don't really like this. I prefer to disable it. It will be nicer to just keep it on the checkout. So I will just disable it now. Okay, save changes. Great. Now let's refresh my page. Okay, perfect. Now we don't have the calculator, we only have a little sentence that says go to the checkout for shipping fee. So okay, now it's better, and now let's go to the checkout. Okay, great. So now we want to enter our address. So I will just put United States here. And now we can see our standard delivery option in 3 to 5 days for €5, which get added to our cart total. And as you can see, the price of our product, the Grace, has just changed. It is because earlier in this course, we set up the tax, the VAT on our store, and I only set up the VAT to 20% for France. And so as we just changed the country to the United States, that's why 20% of the VAT has been just removed from the price. So this doesn't impact our shipping method, the tax and VAT is something optional, but I just wanted to explain why our price changed in case you were wondering. So that's great, now we have our standard delivery method. And now I would like to add one more for the express shipping. Once again, some customers want to buy and they want to get the product quickly. So let's think about them as well. And so I will go back, shipping zones, USA, add shipping method, flat rate. So I just do the exact same thing. Then edit express shipping 1-2 days. And the cost of this one will be €10. Okay, save. Perfect. Now let's refresh our checkout. Okay, great. Now on our checkout page, we have both options. Customer can choose if they want the standard delivery or if they are okay to pay a bit more, but to get the product much faster. So this is perfect. Now I would like also to add a free shipping method. So let's go back, add method, free shipping, add, edit. We can keep the name free shipping, that's great. And then here you can set up the condition for your free shipping. So if you leave on NA, then the free shipping will be available all the time. So if you want to offer free shipping for every customer, then you're very nice, that's perfect. But if you want to add a condition, then you have a few options. The first one is the customer need to have a free shipping coupons. So this is something that we will cover later in this course, the coupon, but you can set up coupon that give free shipping, and that can be a condition for your free shipping option. You can also enable free shipping after a minimum order amount. And you can do a combination of both, either one or the other, or both of them combined. So for us, let's do a minimum order amount or a free shipping coupon. And I will say if people spend more than €500 on my store, I will give them free shipping. I think I can do that. And then you can decide how to handle coupons. So for example, if you have a coupons that give 10% discounts and you have a product that is €520, then 520 euros minus 10% will be below 500, but it was before 500 without the coupon. So how do you want to handle that? Do you still want to offer free shipping or not? If you still want to offer free shipping, then just enable this option here, because it will apply the minimum order rule before the coupon. So it will take the full amount of the product, then give free shipping, and then give the 10%. Or if you don't want to give free shipping and you want to use the final price that the customer will pay, then just disable it. And so this way it will take the price of the product, 520, apply the 10%, goes to 460 something, and then not give free shipping because we are below the 500. Okay, so for me, I will apply this rule before the coupon and I will save. Okay, great. Now let's refresh our checkout. And great. Now the order is not above 500 euros, so that's why we don't have the option for the free shipping. So let's just go back to our carts. Let's buy 2 of these products. Update. Now, as you can see, as we entered our address before, your store actually remembers the address and is able to give the shipping option directly on the cart. So now we have the free shipping option and I can select that. And of course, it will be the same on the checkout. Then I should mention how fast is the free shipping. So I will just do that. Just change free shipping. We will offer on the standard plan, 3 to 5 days. Okay, let's save. Let's refresh. Okay, perfect. So this way it's great because people get the free shipping option if the order is above 500 euros, but they can still pay for the express shipping method if they want to get their delivery much faster. So I still have a chance that they pay for shipping. So it's pretty cool. And then what I want is to display free shipping on top. So it would make more sense. So this way you can just drag it here and put it on top. Then save. Go to the cart. And now we're good. We have free shipping, standard delivery, and express shipping. Let's go to the checkout to see how it looks. And it's exactly the same. And now people can choose the shipping method that they want. Then something else that you can do is to hide the other shipping options when free shipping is available. So this is not something that I will do because I want to keep the possibility that people pay for express shipping, even if they have free shipping. But for you, if it's something that you want to do, then first of all, we just need to create a new order because this new option will only be active for the new orders after the moment that we enable this option. So I will just remove the product from my cart. Okay, then to enable this option, you go to Appearance, and the option is here. Hide other shipping options when free shipping is available. You just enable it and save. Okay, perfect. Now let's create a new order. Let's go to our product. And remember, we have free shipping only on orders above 500 euros. So let's take this product, for example. Let's add to cart. And then let's view cart. And now we have only free shipping available. Perfect. So again, on my store, I am not going to enable this option, but if it's something that you want to do, you can do that. And then let's go back to our shipping option. So now we have configured shipping options for the United States. Then you can add as many shipping zones as you want, and you can just configure them the exact same way as we just did. And again, the exact same way you can create shipping method for the location not covered by your other zone. This is going to be the exact same process. And if you don't put any shipping methods into the location not covered by your other zones, then people outside of your zones won't be able to buy on your store. So this depends on what you want to do and where you want to send your product. So that's it for the shipping zones. Then let me show you the shipping classes, how to create them and how to apply them to your product. Then you click on Add Shipping Class and then enter a name. So for example, for us, let's add Fragile. So we can create special shipping rates for the products that are more fragile, so they need special care for delivery, which would be more expensive. Then you can just leave this blank. This is okay. Save shipping class. And then when you go back to your shipping zone, USA, let's take, for example, our standard delivery. Now we have additional settings. So we can add a cost for the product that will have the fragile shipping class, and we can add a cost for the product who don't have the fragile shipping class. These two costs here, these two fees that we can add, for example, 10 euros for the one with fragile and 0 for the one without fragile are added to the cost here of the shipping method. So in my example here, the product with the fragile shipping class will have a standard delivery fee of 5 plus 10 euros, so a total of 15 euros. And the one without the shipping class will have a total of 5 plus 0, so it will be 0 euros for the standard delivery. Okay, and then you can choose how you want to charge shipping for a customer who might have several products into his order with several shipping class. Do you want to charge for each shipping class individually, or do you want to charge only for the most expensive shipping class? So this is up to you and what you want to do on your store. So for example, for us, let's keep it like this, then save changes. And then last thing we need to do is to apply the shipping class to our product. So let's go back to our product, all products. Okay, then let's go to the grace, for example. And then to add the shipping class, you go to shipping here and you have shipping class. You can apply the shipping class to your product here. So fragile, then save. So great. Then let's go back to our store. Let's delete this product from our carts. Let's go to the grace and let's add this product to the cart. Okay, let's view cart. And now our standard delivery is 15 euros because this product has the class fragile. And so the same way you can create as many classes as you need on your store and then apply these shipping classes to your products. So that's it for this section about shipping methods and how to set up different shipping fee for your store. Just remember one thing, it's very important that your shipping fee are very clear, easy to understand for your customers, and they need to find the information very early in their customer journey. So you might want to add this information on your product page, even on your home page. It's very good when your customers can see very quickly how much they are going to pay for shipping. And if you can offer them a free shipping option, then that's even better. So that's it for this section. Then let's keep going.